Hello everybody, welcome back to our channel. If you were with us in previous videos, you know what we are doing in here. If you are new to the channel, we are talking about work hacks, tips and tricks in Microsoft Excel, maybe Office package and maybe Google, whatever it is, which will help you to improve your efficiencies and timing. So let's go into today's video. Today I brought a quick automation on a ticket booking system, and I'm going to use Google Forms, Google Sheets to do the automation. So let me show you what I'm going to do today. In today's video, we are going to talk about ticket booking system. For that system, I'm going to use Google Forms and Google Sheets. So you will be wondering why that we are going to use these type of automations to book our tickets. So let me explain why we were doing such automation. First, there will be multiple channels selling these tickets. There are two shows happening in June 29th. There are multiple people are selling the tickets. So when they were selling in simultaneously, sales could happen. Unlike in a ticketing platform, we don't have that control over there. So we thought we will have a Google form. Once you submit that in your responses, it will get recorded on a Google sheet and it will be fed into a visual representation of the seat booking, so that people know these seats are booked whenever they are going to sell the tickets. So how does that work? First, we will click on, let's say if it is a 3:30 show, person who is going to sell the ticket, click on this one and see are there any vacant seats. So there are different seats, and there is a legend that is saying which seats are available, which seats are not available, and the pricing. So first of all, you pick a seat, and let's say it could be C1. So he is going to book this seat. So green ones are 1500. Coming back to the form, so he knows that seat is vacant and he is going to tick this one, and I'm entering the name Sean Paul, and I'm putting a phone number for the moment, and picking the 3:30 show, and I have chosen 1500 ticket. Now I have to pick this ticket C1, right? And there should be a ticket serial also that is in the ticket book. So you can present that ticket when you reach the gate and you submit it. Now response got submitted. So what will happen here is, now let's go into the Google Sheet. You can see Sean Paul's information is recorded here, C1, and there is information recorded here. Now 3:30 show information will be recorded in show 1 map, right? You can see C1 is booked. Now whenever somebody is going to sell a ticket again, they will see that C1 is gone. So they are not going to sell that C1 seat to somebody else. So duplication is avoided. So in today's video, I am going to show you how we are going to do the same. Now let's create a new sheet and new form, so you will be able to see how this output can be achieved. So firstly, I am going into Google Forms. It's near the Google icon. So I'm creating a new form. So it is loading. I'm taking a blank form. So I'm giving it a name. This is my drama's name actually. And you can add your form description. You can add pictures as background. You can add links here. I think you remember that that I have included these links for 3:30 show and 6:30 show. I'll show you how to add these links and get these links. For the moment, let's create this form and see how it is going to work. So first one would be short answer question to enter the name, and I'm making it mandatory. And then new one, I'm going to add mobile number so that we will have their mobile number. And again, this one would be a short answer one, mandatory. The next question, we are going to find out which show that they are going to watch. Show, and this has to be this could be multiple choice because we will have only 2 shows. Okay, now multiple choice required. So let's add our options. ShowTime. So first show would be 3:30 p.m. show. Option 2 would be 6:30 p.m. show. And next would be, what are the other ones? We have show times, then seat categories. So you can have different seat categories: VIP, gold, silver, balcony. All right, now what is the other one? Then seat row and number. Seat row. For that, I am going to use a drop down. Option 1A, B, C, D. Likewise, we will have to add it. Right. The next one, seat number. That is the column. All right. Again, it has to be drop down. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Just like an Excel, you will be able to go downwards and add these numbers, right? I'm making everything mandatory response, unless you won't be able to get that. And finally, I am adding another one. You can move your questions around. It is very easy. You catch it from here and move. Ticket serial number. Okay. Again, it's a short one, short answer text. Again, I made it required. So once you complete all these things, you just need to publish this one. So before doing that, you will have to look at the responses, and you are going to link this to a Google Sheet, because that is where you can get your responses. Once someone is submitting that information, you will be able to link this to a sheet. So for the moment, I am creating a new one, since there is a Google Sheet. So let me create the new one and show you how it is going to work. So you can see it has created this chart giving all these questions and answers and everything. And one more thing, in this chart, when someone is submitted their responses, I want to show this in the visual manner, so that they will be easily recognizable, unless you will have to look at rows and seat numbers and everything and find out what are the available seats. If it is in a visually portrait manner, so you will be able to see it clearly and book your seats accordingly. So for that, I am inserting one column left, and I am gonna say seat combo. For that, what I'm going to use is equal concatenate this one, comma this one, concatenate F2 seat number. Right, now I have it. Let's put A1. See, it will show A1, right? So for the moment, we'll keep it like this. Now we are all set with our Google Sheet. So let me show you my old sheet. In this one, so you can see it has all these information: name, mobile number, show time, seat category, seat row, seat number, seat reference, email address, and ticket serial number. So now you will be wondering, how does that email address come? So for that, you go into this Google Sheet and you go into responses, and you can say collect email addresses. So verified, and this will collect all the Gmails that are submitting responses into our form. So now we have created this one, and now we are good to go. Now we have the form, and in this form we will have to create two sheets for two shows. because if someone selects the 330 show, it has to be shown in a one sheet. If it is 630 show, it has to be shown in a different sheet, because when it comes to the drama theater, it has same seat setting, although there are two performances, right? For that matter, so this is my initial data collection sheet. Now I have created this type of a seat setting. Let me show you the actual drama view, seating view, the picture. So you can see this is how the drama seating would look like. There are two sides at 1500, mid section it has 2000, the front two rows 5000, right? This is the stage drama stage, right? These are the balcony seats. So I have created the same setup in my Google Sheet, and I have allocated all these seats in this stage drama. So green areas are like this, and like this. There are the midsection is like this, and there is front rows are like this. So similarly, I have created both of these shows. First one says the names are very critical, because these are linking with the script that we are going to create. We are going to create a JavaScript to do this one. So pay attention to the names: show1 underscore map, show2 underscore map. So these are the names, and again the form selections and drop downs 330 show. These are everything is matter, because when it comes to the script, it will be reading all these responses and giving you the visual display. So now we have created this one. I have just created the show1 and show2 sheets, and then in the column A I have typed A, B, C, D, F up to Q, and in the row 1 to 22 I have added the column numbers, and then there is this colored, I have filled these cells with different colors to show the ticket areas and all that. So that is how it has done. So I'm not going to show you everything, because you just take a cell and you will be able to fill it in a different color by this one. Let's say if you want to fill it in orange, you just select the cell and fill the color, let's say green. So you will be able to fill it very easily. So I believe you will be able to do that. And once you do these two shows, now you have all these shows, and then this unavailability mark is crossed with light red color. So now the advanced part. For that, now you have show 1 map and show 2 map, and you will have to go into extensions. Go into extensions and go to app script. You click on that and you will come to here, right? So when you are coming in for the first time, you won't see anything here. You will see function and its end brackets, and I'll be sharing this code in the description so that you will be able to copy from there. So first you will have to copy and paste everything into here. I am not going to explain each and every code line. So first what it does is first it finds the show times, show one map 3:30, if it is 3:30 show one map, if it is 6:30 show two map. So it is picking the sheets based on the input we provide. So that is where it is very important to put the 3:30 show. Likewise the right input that will allow the script to run properly. Once it is done, it will take the calculate row and row seat numbers, and combining this, and it will mark the seat as booked. See the cross mark and the light red background. So it will be formatting this one. Now once we complete this one, complete the script, we will be using triggers. Unless once you how does the form know how to run when there is a new submission? For that, so we are going to create a trigger. So this is my trigger. First of all, let me show you how does it work. So on formSubmit, that is your name, and head, choose which diploma should run, because it should run all these scripts, and from spreadsheet, its event source is spreadsheet that we are going to report, and not on open, on formSubmit, right? So let me show you this one again. So we will have to rename this one to seat booking updated, don't keep spaces, so that you will be having that information on this one. This script run for seat booking updater, coming into triggers. If you want to create a new trigger, you can create the new trigger. In when you are starting first time, you won't have it. So I am showing that on formSubmit, head from spreadsheet on formSubmit, right? Make sure you are giving permission to that as well, it to run. So I am going to give the permission this script to run. I am allowing it. You will also have to allow it. See, now it has been updated, and now we are good to go. Now we have this sheet, and you might be wondering, when it comes to this form, this one, this form, when we are submitting, then somebody has to know whether these seats are booked, and then only they will pick up the empty seat and do the booking. So how do we going to add this link here? For that, let's take 3:30 show and 6:30 show.